Okay, I'm going to try to make this faster than my other video. If you guys are not tired of hearing my silly Southern German Latina accent, I have been asked to do a video about this image, this gradient. It was so much fun. I just love this. Of course, this is not my design at all. I have been so inspired by seeing these all over the place, so this is how I accomplished mine. I painted my blank with an awesome color that I just got called Mint Candy Apple by Essie. Painted the whole thing. I will do the bottom, the sand part with Insta-Dri, what's it called? Sandstorm. That's hard to see. I have already pre-made some little sponge pieces. So I'm putting my sandstorm here. You, of course, want to use the rough edge of your sponge that you broke off. Like this. Hopefully I can accomplish the same look. Actually, I forgot that I did this first. I actually painted the line first and then sponged a bit over it. Make that quite a bit easier. Make it a little. Here we go. And now I'll sponge it to give it, I guess, a texture, huh? I'll let that dry and probably go over it again a little bit. Next was the white. And of course, our Maniology Bam white. To do the foam looking part. And just sponge it on the surf line, I guess you would call it, right? I like how that's kind of uneven there. Yeah. And obviously just do it till it's pleasing to your eye. Pleasing to you. I like that. Alright. And now someone had suggested something I left off the last time. And that is to add some darker blue to the deeper water. And I chose shark bait mixed with some clear. You certainly don't have to use shark bait. You can use whatever blue appeals to you. And I always find it amazing how things change a bit when you add a top coat. It is really like it blends everything together. So there's that. I kind of like that. Although I'm not fond of that little spot I made, so I'm going to put a little bit of the green candy mint right there. Candy apple mint or whatever that is. Yeah, that works for me. That was basically it. I think I'm going to add a little bit of white to my blue. I'm not liking how dark it is. Just a little. All right. And now, of course, my favorite. This kind of makes everything blend together as well. I use a lot. I float it on. And there you go. There's no proper way. There's no my way is the only way. And then, of course, you can stamp your starfish or seashells or flip-flops or whatever you would like. I used this plate because I love that little starfish and seashell because it was small. If this would dry, I could go ahead and do that. But it doesn't. I found that my favorite top coat does not dry polish on the fake nails as quickly as it dries them on my nails. And obviously it could have something to do with the temperature, I guess, of my nails. Do not know. So there we have that. I might give it a try. I did these starfish both stamped directly and one that I reverse stamped, and I just kind of liked how the outline looked better. Okay. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching.